What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews. And what just landed on my front porch is this, the iPad Mini 7. Now, we picked it up in blue. We got to unbox it. And I'll be giving you my first initial impressions, and then we'll talk about what we'll do afterwards. So let's talk about it. All right, so first and foremost, we gotta get this thing unboxed. So here we go. Apple always makes it really easy, really a pleasure to unbox things. Just the way that the boxes and things open. Now this seems to be the same exact boxing from 2021. Like I ordered Starlight back in 21, I think it was when it was released. And this is the same exact box that I got. This year, I actually got the blue version. So on the inside, you do get the iPad itself, which we've set to the side. You get all of your paperwork, doodads, and things like that. And I don't see any stickers inside this box this time. Unless they're in the pamphlet, no stickers. All right, so just papers. All right, just set that to the side. And let's talk about cables and charging. Now, inside of the box, you do get the 18-watt charging brick. And I want to make sure that it is 18 watt. Typically, it will tell you on the back, let's see, USB Type-C data cable, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. It does not say it on the back of here, but I'm pretty sure it's either 18 or 20 watt. We'll figure all that stuff out later. So 18 watt power brick, more than enough to charge this device, even if it's 20 out of the box, still enough to charge this device at a pretty decent rate. No issues with that. Now, charging brick, and let's see if it says it on here. It is very small writing. So I'll just, when I edit this video, I will put whether it's 18 or 20 in writing at the bottom. And then we have the braided data cable and charging cable. Now, I love these braided cables just because they are really nice to the touch, nice to the feel, and you really don't have to worry about them fraying that much. Some of the old ones, they start to come loose right where the USB Type-C portion is connected. Yeah, but here we go. Of course, they got some new colors in this and all that good stuff, and they have their own smart folios and things to go with them. But this is the device. Now, for the big test, we got to turn the bad boy on. And we will actually wait for it to kind of boot up, get started, and do all those things. There are only a couple of things that I'm looking for out of the box and up front. First and foremost, it does work with Apple Pencil Pro. So I got an Apple Pencil Pro. I use that with my iPad 13. So that's a check. We already know. Second thing, on the old version of the iPad Mini, or the 6th generation, the bezels were extremely thick, like extremely thick. So we want to see if that has been improved upon in any kind of way. Let's go ahead and just get this going. And this is where I gotta stop. We gotta take a break. We gotta get all my old stuff from my old device on here, and we'll come back and we'll talk about how this thing looks once you get it set up and started. Okay, so we actually have everything set up. It's starting up, it's getting ready, doing all the things that it normally would be doing. I do want to take a little bit of time out and show you guys the actual blue color. So I had blue Apple iPad Air at one point in time, and this is the vibe that it gives me. It's more of a grayish blue. But yeah, this is the actual blue color. Now, we do know a few things about it. Like I said up front, it's going to work with the Apple Pencil Pro. So we like that. I do always keep betas installed on my devices, so you may notice things that you probably won't see on yours. And then this one actually comes with the Apple Intelligence. Now, we know that Apple Intelligence is not that intelligent as of yet. It is learning, it is improving, but we do know that the Apple Intelligence feature is not 100% as of yet. So we're not going to be harping on that too much, but I do want to go ahead and just see how does this measure up when you start talking about the biggest thing that they never addressed, and that was those bezels. So what I do want to go ahead and do is set up the wallpaper like I like it. You get the mini wallpapers on here, and next, what I want to show you guys is going to be the actual bezels. Now, I do have a case on this one, so let's go ahead and knock that case off. So, no issues. All right, so here we go. 7 is over here in my right hand, 6 is over here in my left hand. The bezels look almost the same. They've been pushed out just a little bit over here. And if you go in, so increasing the size doesn't increase the actual app, if you can see that. I'm gonna actually show you what I'm talking about. Right now, small, and when you hit large, they don't really increase. It just kind of takes away the name from under it. So that's one thing that we're probably gonna have to actually look at as time goes by, just to see if that feature is gonna fully work. And then add a widget, just like normal. You come in and you can do that. Now, this is not a complete overhaul by any means, but my first impressions is it looks just like the last one. I'm gonna have to use it. I'm gonna have to take a little time with it just to see what it can do, what it can't do, and what the big improvements are over 3 years ago when it first came out. But an iPad is an iPad is an iPad until it's a mini. The mini gives you functions that the big ones don't, and it offers a lot more versatility than the big ones. It can actually offer you a little more comfortable fit when you want to just have some casual reading time, or if you want to just do some quick web browsing holding your hand, or if you're in front of a crowd and you're reading something and you want something lightweight and really versatile in your hand, this is going to be the way to go. Now, like I said, we're going to use this for a few days. Shouldn't take long to come back and tell you guys what I think about it, but we will do that. And I'll even be posting different things. If you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, I'll probably be posting a few things when I find out little nuggets, should I say, about this device. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. This is the unboxing of the iPad Mini 7th generation. You know where to pick it up at. And until next time, hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Average Tech out. Peace.